So I will show you how to send out the necessary link to your requester so he or she can start an online tracing. I will also show how you can send SMS and emails to a requester. So starting as usual from the dashboard, and I go to my open pre-cases and select a case I would like to communicate in. So I open the case, and this case is a tracing case, and the status is collecting information, and now the case is ready for some online tracing. I check with just regarding the requester, Amir, and type of notification is set to SMS. So to send out a link to the online tracing, I will go up here in the toolbar and select Send OTR. And here I pick the SMS. So this link is a unique link with a token, which is required to be able to create an account for the online tracing. So I select SMS. I will get this warning sign saying that once the person has received the link, also the person, the requester, can edit the data in his or her case. So I press OK. What will happen now is that the status of the case will be updated, and we will also have a new status coming up here. If I go back to the general section, also there will be a copy of the SMS that was sent out to the requester, and you will see it in the timeline. All the SMSs are sent out every 10th minute. So depending on where the function is in the cycle, it will take some time. So we just have to be patient and wait for the next batch to be sent. So I just go to the refresh first here, and then we can see that the portal status is in progress. So now we have received a new post in the timeline where we can see that there is an SMS sent to the requester. If I open up, we will see now it's in Swedish because we use the Swedish template, but here you will see also the unique link that will take the requester to the portal and allow the requester to register an account that is required to be able to open up an online tracing request. So sending out an online tracing is done, and you select either by SMS or email. Once the online tracing is sent, the status will be updated, and when the message is transmitted, you will also have a post in the timeline. Other ways to contact and communicate with the requester can also be done, and from the timeline, you can use the plus sign, and then you can, for example, choose SMS. And then you select to whom you should send the SMS to. So you can choose in between the requester, the contact person, or both. So in this scenario, I put the requester. We can use templates. and you have several templates to choose from, or you can create new ones. So we pick, for example, contact us, and then you will have the template, and you can edit and add some more information to the message. And when you are done, you press send, and you will see that the SMS will appear in the timeline. Another way to communicate is to send emails. So by pressing the plus sign, you can pick email. And it's for me as a caseworker, I see the address, the email address that we have registered on the user. And we write the subject. We ask for some additional information. And if we want, we can insert templates. And you can pick from the list. I just pick this one, apply template. And also the subject was changed in accordance to the template I used. And then we have some text. You can enter what you want to say in the email, and then you press send. And you will see how the email also is visible here in the timeline of the case. If you go to the dashboard, you can also see here my sent emails, and you will have a post here when it was sent, which case number, and from the activities. And just double check. Yeah, you already have it here. Also my SMS in the dashboard. You see this one I sent as well.